My dear student, welcome. Today the topic is quotient rule of differentiation. Okay, what is a quotient rule? If equal to u by v is not possible. If equal to u by v to be corrected as y is equal to u by v. So y is equal to u by v. That is only correct. Then after that, what is written? dy by dx equal to v u dash minus uv dash. What is the meaning of this? V into differential of u minus u into differential of v by v square. That is why u dash is nothing but differential of u, v dash is nothing but differential of v. Okay. Next, I am taking one new sum. Differentiate 7x power 5 plus 3x power 4 whole power 7 divided by 11x square minus 9x power 4 whole square. You see, this function is in the form of u by v. Both at the same time, these two functions u and v comes under algebraic category. Why means? Because sine, cos, tan trigonometry ratios are not available. So definitely it is not a trigonometry functions. And log logarithm is not available. So it never comes under logarithmic function. E power b as the base and other thing as the power, that is not available. It's not exponential function. Inverse values are not coming. Sin inverse x cos inverse is not an inverse function. So no doubt, if these functions are not coming means, then definitely this will be termed as algebraic function. Okay, before differentiating this, you see what type of function. It is algebraic function in the form of u by v. What is the differential rule? Y equal to u by v, which is equal to dy by dx equal to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Then what is the differential statement rule? Here the function is what? Which category? Algebraic function. Then algebraic function means you have to apply this rule only. Differential of power into differential of base. Okay. Now I will explain how to differentiate this function nicely. Okay. You see, my student, it is in the form of u by v. If it is in the quotient rule, we have to apply v u dash minus u v dash by v square. You have to understand how I am substituting and all, everything is very important. Then only it is easy for you to understand this sum nicely. Otherwise, you will be in heavy collapse. Okay, fine. What is the formula you are telling? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Better, I am writing here. Dy by dx is equal to what? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Correct? Here also written same thing. Here also written same thing. Okay. Now, sir is teaching how to apply this. You see in this formula what is available. V is available first. Initially V is available. Then what happened? Go here. What is V? V is this. Just substitute in the place of v 11x square minus 9x power 4 whole square. Okay. Then after this, into is there. V u dash means v into u dash. So be careful. Into u dash. Now only, what is the meaning of this? U dash. Why they are telling you differentiate u. You differentiate u. That is why it is called as u dash. Go here. U is there. In u, you just identify. What is this? This is base and this is power. They are asking you to differentiate u. That is why here it written u dash. Okay. U dash, u is in which form? Algebraic form. U is in algebraic form. What is the differential of algebraic function? Differential of power into differential of base. You take this u. What is the power? 7. 7 into 7x power 5, 3x power 4. 7 minus 1. How to differentiate the power? It is nothing. Basic formula of calculus. Differential of x power n is nx n minus 1. Here I explain everything. Here in this, u, what is n? N is 7. 7. X is 7x power 5 plus 5x power 4. N minus 1. 7 minus 1. 6. That's all. If you want to differentiate the base, what is the logic? Write the power as it is. Write the power as it is. Don't disturb the base. Subtract 1 from the power. Now what happened? Power is only over, because if you want to differentiate u, there are two things available, differential of power and differential of base. Now differential of power only over, then what we have to do? We have to differentiate base. If base is completed, then only u dash will be completed as then only u dash will be completed. Okay. Then differential of base. Base is what? 7x power 5, 3x power 4. In the differential of base, 7x power 5 is what? 35x power 4, then 12x cube. Now what happened? Sir, how sir differentiated this u? First I differentiate the power. Power means write power as it is, don't disturb the base, subtract 1 for the power, and differential of base. 7x power 4, 5 differentiation is 35x power 4, and 3x power 4 differentiation is 12x cube. Okay. Now what happened in this formula? We completed only vu dash. Then which one is pending? Which one is pending? uv dash is pending. So vu dash is over. So up to this level, vu dash is over. Then minus is there. That's why minus available here. Okay. Then what is available after u? What is available? See, after minus, what is available? U is applied. U is available. Go. Where is u? 7x power 5 plus 3x power 4. Just copy that u. Don't disturb anything. Don't edit also. Okay. Again what happened? You are in need to differentiate what? Which one? You only have to copy, but you can't differentiate. V dash. So what is the meaning of this? You copied u successfully here. Then other thing is you have to differentiate v. We have to differentiate when v is an algebraic function. They again same rule. Difference of power and differential. V means you have to look this only. Then what is this? This is base and this is power. How to differentiate the first differential of power? So power, how will you differentiate? Write 2, don't disturb the base, 11x square minus, and subtract 1 from the 2. See, same thing I put. I put what? What I put? 7, v is what? 11x square minus 9x square whole square. U, what is this? U I have to copy. U I copied successfully. What I copied? 7x power 5 plus 5x power 4 whole portion. U I copied. Then what is available here? See the formula. V dash. V only you have to differentiate. V is what? 11x square minus 9x power 4 power 2. Okay. First, u is in the algebraic functions. First you have to differentiate the power. How to differentiate the power? Write down the power as it is. That's why 2 is written. And don't disturb the base. That's why 11x square minus 9x4 written as it is. Subtract 1 from the power. So 2 minus 1. Now what happened? In differential of v, differential of power concept only completed. But after that what we have to put? Into differential of base. In this, what is the base, my dear student? 11x square minus 9x. 11x square minus 9x power 4. How to differentiate? If you differentiate, what will happen? 22x minus 36x cube by up to this one numerator v dash minus uv dash is completed. After this we have to go for v square. V square is what? 11x square minus 9x power 4 whole square. It is actually a power m only. Now we have to square as per the laws of indices. A power m, if you square it, what is the logic of a power m whole power n? A power m. So that's why based on that 11x square minus 9x power 4 whole square power whole 2. So applying this logic, laws of indices rule, we get 11x square minus 9x power 4 by 4. Successfully this sum is over, my dear student. We have to go for problem number 2. Before going to problem number 2, what is given? That is only very, very important. Otherwise, you will be in utter confusion. What is u? U is square root of 2x square plus 5x. But because that is written in small, no. That's why in order to understand what is available there, again I am showing here also. U is equal to square root of 2x square plus 5x. Then what is v? V is 2x minus 5 whole cube. That is only written there, but it looks small. But I had written here clearly. Okay, fine. What type of function is this? Again the same thing only. So other functions are not available. Only algebraic family only available. Previously I explained this in detail. That's why no need to explain that. Algebraic function. So if you want to differentiate the algebraic function, what is the rule? First you have to see the quotient rule. vu dash minus uv dash by v square. What is our u? U is root of square root of 2x square plus 5x. What is v? V is 2x minus 5 whole cube. Now what is the formula is telling? Vu dash minus uv dash. Vu dash means what? V. Don't disturb v. V is what? 2x minus 5 cube. You just copy and paste. Put the same thing 2x minus 5 whole cube. That's only I am telling, like copy and paste. Okay. Into differential of u. That is why u dash. U is where? Here only. 2x square plus 5x. It is equal to what? 2x square plus 5x whole power half. Okay. Now we have to differentiate this. You see this is u. Then v is already you copied, no problem. Then you have to differentiate u. U is only available here. How to differentiate this? You don't see this. You will be confused. You have to write in this form. Square root of 2x square plus 5 can be written as 2x square plus 5x whole power half. Now you go there, what happened? Here one base is you are having and power you are having. That is why I am writing here. Okay. Then v u dash. So you have to differentiate this u only. This u only. Okay, this is actually u is in algebraic form. What is the syntax for algebraic form? Differential of power into differential of base. Power is what? Half. Half into, don't disturb the base, 2x square plus 5x half minus 1. Now what happened? They are asking you to differentiate u, that is u dash. In the u dash, which part is only over? U dash, they are different. In this u dash, only differential of power is only over. Then after that, into base. Base is what? 2x square plus 5x. Here you see, don't see that, 2x square plus 5x. So base you have to differentiate. 2x square differentiation is what? Actually what? 4x. What is the differential of 5x? 5 into 1. Okay, now what happened, student? Vu dash, I explained it very nicely. Very nicely I explained it. After that what we have to do? We have to go for the process minus uv dash. Minus u they are telling. Then what happened? Again copy and paste system only. Minus u write as it is. You copy and paste this only. This is actual u. So that's why I am copying as what? Same thing. Square root of 2x square plus 5x only I am copying. Okay. Because since it is u, you need not disturb. This original u only you have to take. Don't take this modified u. Okay. That's why it's over. Then after that what happened? Into dot is kept for that. V dash. What is the meaning of V dash? V is what? 2x minus 5 whole cube. Ordinary family. We have to differentiate this. Again what happened? 2x minus 5 is base? No. 3 is power. We have to differentiate the power first. How to differentiate the power? 3 into 2x minus 5, 3 minus 1. That is purely applying the x power n formula, nx n minus 1. n is 3, x is 2x minus 5, 3 minus 1. Now what happened? 3 into 2x minus 5 whole square is over. Power is over. Then after this what we have to do? Differentiate the base. Base is what? 2x minus 5. So 2 into 1. Now what is completed? Vu dash minus uv dash is completed by v square. V is what? 2x minus 5 whole cube. This is v. Square means it is in the a power m form. Square means a power m whole power n. So n is 2. So 2x minus 5 whole cube is otherwise called as 2x minus 5 whole power 6. Up to this step only over. Again what is there? Again simplifying steps are there. That also sir will explain. 2x minus 5 what? Whole cube is there. Then into what happened? This 1 by 2 put in. So this is 2x square plus 5x. Half minus 1 is actually minus half only. So it is 2x square plus 5x minus half. 2x square plus 5x minus half. It comes down. What is the rule? A power minus m is what? 1 by a power m. This is loss of indices rule. So 2x square plus 5x half minus 1 is minus half. So 2x plus minus half. This is a power minus m, then 1 by a power m. That's why I put 1 by root of 2x square plus 5x power half. Power half can be written as 2x square plus 5x square root. Where I got this 2 only, 1 by 2, 2. That 2 is in the denominator. That's why I am putting that 2 also now. Now what happened? What happened in this? In v function, in a u function, what will happen? See, listen. In u function, first what I did? Here, so after this what happened? You see this. 1 by 2 written as it is. 2x plus 5x minus half minus 1 is what? Minus half. If I bring that, it comes down. It becomes root of 2 root of 2x square plus 5x. So this simplification only, step only I have to tell. I need not tell other things and all, differentiate and all I need not tell. Because this is copying from one thing to other line. Other line we are copying means we have to tell the same thing only. We need not tell differentiation wordings and all, need not use. So that's why, what happened? See, listen, what is this? V is what? 2x minus 5 whole cube. Then 1 by 2 is that 1 by 2 is coming here, 1 by 2. 2x square plus 5x half minus 1 is 2x square plus 5x half minus 1 is minus half. As per the loss of indices rule, a power minus m is 1 by a power m. So 1 by 2x square plus 5x power half. It can be written as square root of this. I need not use the differentiation word and all now. Already the sum is completed. Now only simplification is going on. So you should be very careful in handling the sum. Again after this what happened? 4x plus 5. I copied. Then minus is that minus also I copied. 2x square plus square root of 2, that also I copied. 3 is here, 2 is here. 3 into 2 gives what? 6. 6 into 2x minus 5 whole square only available there. Copied. Then again 2x minus 5 m a power m whole power n is a power m and 2x minus 5 whole power 6. I completed this sum very nicely. While copying from one step to another step, we need not use the calculus formula again. Calculus formula only already used and we are under the process of simplification. Then we need not tell that word, calculus word and the terms and all. We need not use. Only simplifying things only I tell. What I told, 2x plus 5x half minus 1 is 2x plus 5x minus half only. A power minus m is what? 1 by a power 1. 1 by 2x plus 5x power half. It can be written as square root of 2x plus 5x. That too. This sum I completed very nicely, my dear student. Next we are going for other sum. That is problem number 3 I have to explain. I don't want this unnecessary things and all available in this. I am removing this. Just wait for few seconds. After erasing only, I will take the other sum very nicely. Otherwise, I will be in complete confusion. Because these steps are I had written only for the solving the problem number 2. Problem number 2 is now successfully solved. That's why I am erasing these things and all. Okay? This is very, very important, student. You don't, you have to, examination also, you should be very careful in this. Okay, fine. Now complete erasure is over. Then next one is what? Now we have to go for only u and v. What is u? That only we have to write very clearly. Otherwise, your system will be in complete collapse. What is u? What is u? You just write. Because it is available in small letter. That's why for understanding I am writing u. Cube root of 2x minus 3. Just it is looks very small. That's why for understanding I am writing 2x minus 3. 5 also written. Now you see. There you see means what happened. Because it is very written in small letter. You can't identify what is that. That's why for better understanding I am writing like this. Now this u is nothing but cube root of 2x minus 3. This can be written as how? How you can rewrite? 2x minus 3 whole power 5 by 3. How? Nth root of a power p is equal to a power p by n. This is the loss of indices rule. So applying the loss of indices, nth root of a power p is actually 2x minus 3, 5 by 3. Okay, this is over. This is our u. What is our v? Our v is, tell clearly, then only you understand, 5x minus 11 whole power 100. Okay, so two types of functions, u is one, v is another thing. Now see again, y is equal to u by phi. I need you to explain that thing and all. Already explained it. Everything, all functions are algebraic function. No doubt this problem comes under algebraic function. But what is the rule available for differentiating algebraic function? Differential of power into differential of base. What is the rule? Differential rule. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Here some complication expressions are all available. For the student it's very complicated. So that's why I will explain in better way. Okay, what is our standard rule is telling? Even you go to this formula for saying this. V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, what is the formula? dy by dx is what? V u dash minus u v dash by v square. Whenever I am teaching, I will refer here only, because I refer here, some collapse will happen. That's why I need not refer. So v u dash minus u v dash. This is actually v, this is u. V u dash minus, I will write it properly, because for the student it is very tough to understand this alphabets. So sir is writing this very neatly. Okay, what happened? Dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to v. I have to write like this, u dash minus u v dash. Now it is somewhat better. Okay, fine. So whenever I am teaching anything for dy by dx formula for the problem number 3, I will refer you this only. Okay, student. Now we are a need to differentiate cube root of 2x minus 3 whole power 5 by 5x minus 11 whole power 100. That is u and this is v. Same formula only we to apply, v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Okay, fine. Here what is there? V is there. You come here, where is v? 5x minus 11. Minus 5x minus 11 whole power 100. Should be very careful in telling. You need not have 5x minus 11 and all. The complete problem is v is 5x minus 11 whole power 100 only. So you have to specify it correctly. You have to write it correctly. So alert. Very effective look should be available while copying one expression to other place. That's why effective look you use. So 5x minus 11 for 100 is v. You write that v as it is. Now what happened? V is over. After that, u dash. What is u? 2x minus 3 whole power 5 by 3. Okay, fine. U dash means they are asking you to differentiate 2x minus 3 whole power 5 by 3. Okay, how to differentiate this? You know, already studied how to differentiate algebraic function. Statement rule, differential of power into differential of base. Power is what? 5 by 3. That's why writing 5 by 3 there. Base is what? 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 writing. 5 by 3 minus 1. This is purely, they are applying the basic fundamental formula, x power n is equal to nx minus 1. So that's why they are writing 5 by 3 as it is, very small, and not disturbing the base and subtracting 1 from the power, that is 5 by 3 minus 1. Okay. Now what happened? They asked you to differentiate u. In u, what are the steps available? Power, differential of power and differential of base. Now you think only differential of power is only over. The differential of u till not completed. Why? Because differential of base is pending. What is the base? Base is only 2x minus 3. Don't go anywhere. What is the differential of 2x minus 3? 2x differential is 2. Minus 3 differential is 0, constant. So the overall, the differentiation is for the base is 2 only. That's why I written into 2. Why? Because whenever you differentiating, which one? U dash, differential of power into differential of base. That's why into I written. Sometimes I may write dot also too. Now what is completed, my dear student? Only v u dash is completed. Other things are not completed. What is the other things? Minus uv dash is other process. Say minus they are telling, that's why I am writing minus in middle. You come here, u is what? Cube root of 2x minus 3 whole power 5. Same thing you write. Whenever you want to write u, you always write original form. U dash means that only different form, because that is very important. Original form, whenever you want to write, you write the same thing. That's why sir is writing the same. Cube root of 2x minus 3 whole power 5. U is over. Then after this what? Into is there. That's why small symbol is there, into. Into v dash. What is this meaning of this? V dash. V is what? 5x minus 11 whole power 100. That only you have to differentiate. Whenever you want to differentiate, what are the rules available for the algebraic function? Differential of power first and base next. Power is what? 100 into 5x minus 11, 100 minus 1, 99. So differential of power is nothing but write the n, don't disturb the base, and subtract 1 from the power. That is why differential of x power n is nx n minus 1, purely applying this formula. Now what they asked? They asked to differentiate v. That is why they are calling as v dash. V, one part is only now differentiated. Which part? Differential of power. Then what is pending? Base is pending. 5x minus 1. 5 into differential of x is 1. 5 into 1 is 5. Minus differential of constant. 11 you differentiate. Differential of any constant is 0. Then 5 minus 0 gives 5 only. That's why I am writing 5. Okay, now what happened? Sir taught very nicely v u dash minus uv dash. Again I will repeat, some problem will happen for you. That's why in order to avoid this, now v u dash minus uv dash is successfully over by v square. V is what? 2x minus 11 whole power 100. If you want to square it, what is this? This is actually a to the power of m. Square means 2. A power m n. A power mn. That is why 5x minus 11 power 100 whole square is 5x minus 11. 100 into 2 is 200. Now what happened? Successfully the differential explanation is over. Then after that, what explanation I have to explain? Next explanation. So in this explanation, I need not use any formulas. Formulas and all I need not tell. Differential wordings need not be used. This is only copy and paste only. So you need not use calculus formula, differential base, angle and all you need not tell. While copying means you have to do in relax. It is tension-free work is copying. Only differential is only tension-full, because there lot of concepts you are introducing in that. Whereas copying not like that. So just see and copy, that's all. What is written here? 5x minus 11 power 100. Same thing, that's all. 5x minus 11 by 100. That only you have to tell. You need not tell other things and all. Into is there. Into a written. 5 by 3 is there. 5 by 3 into 2 gives what, student? 10 by 3. Okay. Then 2x minus 3 they are writing as it is. Then 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 is ordinary our LCM work. This is nothing but 5 minus 3 by 2. Yeah, like this you have to put. Then it's actually 5 minus 3 by 3. Then it is what happened? 5 minus 3 is 2 by 3. See? That's all. Copying and paste only. There's nothing. You need no need to worry in this. What happened? 5x minus 11 power 100 already written. This 5 by 3 and 2 is multiplied. It is 10 by 3. Then this 2x minus 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1 I told you. 5 by 3 minus 1. Once more I am putting 5 by 3 minus 1. This is nothing but 5 minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 2 by 3. That's a tensionless work. 2 by 3 only. Now what happened? Here successfully our VU dash is completed. No trouble in this. Then after this what happened? VU dash is copied. VU dash copied successfully. VU dash work is completely over. That's why again you don't tell keep U, V and keep U and all, not tell. Now VU dash is successfully copied. Minus UV dash to be completely successfully copied. How? You see here minus is there. Minus you put. Whenever copying means it should be tensionless. Cube root of this you write. Then what happened? 2x minus 3 also you are writing whole power 5. You are copying that u in the original form, it is very easy. Then after this you go, there is 100, here is 1 5. 100 into 5 gives what, student? 500 only. 2x minus 11 as it is, power 99. Then what happened? So in mathematics always constant number value, number thing you have to keep it in front. That's why 10 by 3. 5x minus 11 by 100 as it is. 2x minus 3, 2 by 3. Copy and paste. Again minus. Nothing, this putting this 500 here, that's all. Other thing you don't feel. Cube root of 2x minus 1 whole power 5 into 5x minus 11 whole power 99. Now what happened? Everything is successfully over. By v square also, it's very easy. 5x minus 11 whole power 100. It is 5x minus 11 power 200. Applying the laws of indices rule, a power m whole power n. Now my video is successfully completed. Thank you, my dear student, for your cooperation. Please subscribe and give like and comments also to my videos. Then only real feedback is available for me. Please help us in this matter. Thank you for the kind cooperation.